They said he wanted love, so he kept their hearts. In a small Milwaukee apartment, police opened the fridge and found what no one should ever see: a human heart on a plate, organs sealed in jars, bodies dissolved in acid. Jeffrey Dahmer didn't crave blood, he craved belonging. He told detectives he ate them so they would never leave him again. He called it love. But love doesn't live in the cold. When they took him away, the refrigerator kept humming, steady, low, like it was remembering him. And sometimes people say, if you listen closely, you can still hear it. Follow Noctis Mysteries, where love turns to hunger and truth decays in silence.